After weeks of declining or flat market movement, we're starting to see the first signs of market activity. The numbers this week point to a rising demand across the board, with prices still lagging behind, a pattern that historically signals an accumulation phase. Let's go through the data. This is the core story. Over the past week, patches are up 75% in demand. Agents are up 27% in demand. Knives, gloves, rifles are all showing week over week demand growth. At the same time, gloves are down 8% in price, and rifles are down 4.5%. This is a bit unusual. When demand rises this sharply without any price movement, it often means the people in the market are buying and absorbing the supply quietly rather than letting the prices spike immediately. Based on last week's volume to price analysis, here are some items where demand is growing rapidly, but prices haven't reacted yet. M4A1S Decimator, demand is up 67%. I just bought one of these based on this data. Hopefully this is a good flip. Glock 18 Vogue, demand is up 34%. And surprisingly, the Op Asimov, demand is up 43% with a declining price. Historically, these types of setups are the ones that will move first when market sentiment will finally shift. Next, moving on to some of the momentum watch list items. These assets are already in motion, meaning they have both demand and price increases. They're not really early entries anymore, but it's still worth monitoring. Surprisingly, the Stockholm 2021 Legends capsule demand is up 163% and price is up 33%. The Paris 2023 Legends capsule similarly is up 17% in price and 90% in volume. And a more surprising entry is the Mag 7 Pop Dog. Demand is up almost 250% for this field tested skin. I wonder if this is just another pump and dump or if there's something else happening behind the scenes here. These are just some quick momentum trades. Nothing really to action here. On the other end, some categories are losing both demand and price. These are worth rotating out of for now. Huntsman, Chroma 2, and glove cases have steady declines in both demand and price. It's important to note that this is based on Skinport data. Given Valve's update with trade protection, most people who are opening and buying cases no longer use third-party websites. Because of the trade protection update and how you can't open a case 8 days after you buy it, a lot of the third-party demand for these cases has really fallen off a cliff. I would also check the Steam Market data on these cases to see if they're really declining in demand and price, or if it's just because this data is pulled from Skinport, there's less buyers on third-party platforms. The XM Solitude demand is down 52% and price is down 40%. As a limited edition item, I think this might rebound once Valve does announce that it's being discontinued. I wouldn't take any action right now, but if anyone feels really strongly that there will be an updated or new limited edition item, this could be your chance to make a quick buck. Finally, just want to set up some alerts for the 24-hour volume spike skins. Professor Shamat and the Elite Crew agent skin jumped 32% in price and 5 times their normal trading volume in the past 24 hours. A few other agent skins are right behind him, and it seems like the agent meta is coming back to CS2. The Op Neo Noir and Field Tested is also a winner in terms of spikes in price and demand. This is also a free skin I'm giving away on my Twitch channel, where you can use your channel points to get free skins by betting on which bot is going to win the 1v1 heads up. Much like roulette, there's also a green choice for even more returns. Be sure to check this out to win some free skins with no strings attached. So these are some quick short-term moves that could be worth tracking, but probably not for the long-term hold. So in summary, market demand is rising across multiple categories, but prices have not reflected it. Historically, we'll see prices rise as the excess supply starts to clear up. Short-term opportunities do exist in some of these high demand and low price items, but be very selective in which play you do take on. And it seems like case categories are going to continue to underperform on third-party websites. Next week, we'll give a similar breakdown and also give an update on where the items from this week landed. So be sure to subscribe and follow the journey for more.